Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in GetWala platform. As you guys know, whenever any important updates and informations are available, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on GetWala platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of details related to your career. So guys, if we talk about today's notification, then Indian Army released their official recruitment for 65 SSC Tech Men or 36 SSC Tech Women courses. And if we talk about the official website, then joinindianarmy.nic.in is the official website. The eligibility, age limit, everything is mentioned in their notification. So if you talk about the eligibility for men and women, then you can observe 20 to 27 year is the age group where the students, if have are in this particular age group, they can apply. So your date of birth should be between 2 October 1998 to 1st October 2005. So if your age if your date of birth lie between these dates, then you can apply as soon as possible. Rest guys, there are many other details are also available. So any engineering graduation degree if you have in a respective discipline, you can apply. Even the final year students are also eligible, so the final year students can also apply, but your final semester examinations should be scheduled before 1st October 2025. So if your final semester examinations is scheduled before this date, you are eligible. Once your result and everything is declared, you need to upload your all the document. While applying, you only need to submit whatever semester mark sheets you have till now, so you can upload accordingly. Rest guys, there are many other details are also available. So if you talk about the vacancies number, then for civil engineering discipline, if you have a graduation degree, any of this discipline you are eligible. So civil or civil equivalent courses students are eligible. 75 vacancies are available for you. Next, if you talk about computer science, so computer science students also have some vacancies in Indian Army as a officer. So 60 vacancies are available. Here you can observe the multiple computer science related discipline. So if you have your BTech degree in any of the discipline, you are eligible to apply. Next, electrical, same 33 vacancies are available. Next, electronics, 64 vacancies are eligible. Next, if we talk about guys mechanical, then 101 vacancies are available. Next, other branch, if we talk about, then the other multiple engineering discipline like plastic technology, remote sensing, 17 vacancies are available. So the total vacancies number 350 are available for male candidate, and for the women candidate 36 vacancies are available. So for civil, 7 vacancies for women candidate. Similarly, you can observe for computer science 4 vacancies are available. Next, if we talk about guys electrical, then 3 vacancies are available. Electronics, 6 vacancies are available, and mechanical, if you can observe mechanical also there are 9 vacancies are available. So guys, total if we count the vacancies number, then 379 is the total vacancies number, which include both male and female. Next guys, there are many other details are also available in this PDF. So if you talk about selection process, then guys there are no written test examinations. You directly need to fill your application form, and then they will shortlisted you based on your graduation marks, and after that you need to go for SSB interview for 5 days, and if you are able to perform well in SSB, then you will become direct officers, and your position starting from like lieutenant and all. So definitely you will receive lots of benefits, and the salary amount is also level 10 salary. So those students who want to serve Indian Army and want to serve as an officer, they can join here. So if we talk about the position, then like first you become lieutenant, then after promotions captain, major, lieutenant colonel, brigadier, major general. So these are all are the post. Next, if we talk about pay scale, then your salary will start from 56,000 to 1,77,000 with the rank level of 10, and after promotions your salaries increase equivalent. If we talk about guys, rather than salary, you will also receive military service pay extra 15,500, and according to your job locations, whatever the hardships of particular locations, you will also receive some lots of other allowances which are also mentioned in this particular PDF. Next, if we talk about guys, there are many other allowances like transport allowances, children education allowances, hostel subsidy. These all are available here. So for applying, you need to visit the official website of joinindianarmy.nic.in, where officer entry, apply, login. You need to fill your applications form and submit before the last date will over. So the last date is 5 February 2025. So apply before the 5 February 2025. And guys, I am going to share this PDF in Kuldeep_PW Telegram channel, from where you can download this PDF and apply as soon as possible. In Telegram channel, you are also able to interact with lots of students who previously attempted SSB interviews, and some students also get shortlisted. So you can interact with them, and definitely with the interaction you are able to learn like how the SSB will proceed, and you are able to get lots of ideas. So if you need any assistance, you can join Kuldeep_PW Telegram channel. Thank you so much guys. See you on another another video. Till then, goodbye, take care.